Other one, I am at the Southeast Island. And this is a vegetarian restaurant. It's beautiful here, and let's go to explore it.
My name is Parmeswari. I'm the one chef here cooking.
Yeah.
And this is a special. Today is a Friday. Fridays is a special sweet here.
Yeah.
This is called a sweet. Yeah. This is made of brown sugar.
Yeah.
Brown sugar and a cow's milk, and whereas some ingredients.
Yeah.
This is special for Indians Friday sweet.
Yeah.
And this is cabbage with long beans
Yeah.
and some onions.
Yeah. Yes.
And this is tofu.
Yeah.
Tofu with some spices.
Tofu.
And this is onion.
Yeah.
Onion.
Onion.
Yes.
Yes.
Onion with tomato and
Yeah.
brickfield.
Yes.
This is a dal.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a dal. Dal with coconut milk and white carrot and brinjal,
Yeah.
tomato,
Yes.
and many items.
Yes. Many items.
That's it. This is a tea section.
Tea
It's a
section.
special tea, masala tea.
Can you make a masala tea?
Oh sure. Do you want to drink?
Yeah.
Oh sure, can. This is a tea dust.
Yes.
We put a tea dust first
Yes.
with water and some cardamom and dry ginger,
Yeah.
and wet ginger and clove.
Yeah.
All this mix it, and then we make a tea like this. Okay. And some milk. Add a milk. And this is a ginger. It's a wet ginger. And this is a dry ginger.
Yeah.
It's called dry ginger. And this is a cardamom.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. And then see now? Do you want some more?
Sorry. It's beautiful.
Would you like to taste the tea?
Yes.
Shall I give you?
Yeah. Yes.
It's very hot. Okay. This is tea for you. You try the masala tea.
Yeah.
This is called a masala tea.
Masala
It's a specialty in Malaysia.
Wow, beautiful. Thank you.
Welcome.
This is masala tea. Oh, it smells so good. It's a good smell. It's hot. This one very good for our health because it has the ingredient including ginger and tea. It's a good taste. So nice. The restaurant will move to the new location. This is the new location. And you can see the menu. And this is the menu. This is vegetarian food. The name is Satyanari Vegetarian Food Center. You can see that the restaurant is quite small, but the environment here is like a home cook, and you feel like it's so warm. So I'm going to take some interview with some customer and also with the staff here or owner here, right?
How do you find this restaurant?
This restaurant is our routine joint where we come. Whenever we have a time, we make way to come and meet here to have breakfast with some of my close friends.
Oh, so how do you know this restaurant?
Oh, I know this restaurant almost 25 years ago, more than 20 years.
Yeah.
And actually it's 25 years actually, more than 25 years. To be exact, it's about 28 years now. I'm patronizing this restaurant.
Yes.
And I know this restaurant because I converted to be a vegetarian 28 years ago. So that's how I was introduced to this restaurant.
Yeah, this restaurant is selling the veggie,
Yeah, all vegetarian food, yeah.
vegetarian.
All vegetarian.
There's no meat.
There's no meat in this restaurant.
It's a vegetarian food. Yeah. Why do you transfer to vegetarian?
Me, okay, me non-killing while consuming food.
Yeah.
So was a choice that I made.
How do you feel about this restaurant?
This restaurant, as I told you, the cleanliness of the restaurant is very good.
Yeah.
Second, the food is like home cooked food. It's very it's a touch where they give you like how my mother or my aunty or my grandmother used to cook at home. So you have the same feeling. They serve well. The place is very clean. A lot of traditional stuff are still maintained in this restaurant.
How about the food taste?
Food taste is good.
Very good.
Yeah, it's quite
Spicy?
consistent. It's quite consistent and very good taste. Yeah, very good. Very nice place actually. And first I was just staying about 5 minutes away from here.
Yeah.
Then I shifted to another place, which was about half an hour.
Yeah.
Now I've shifted to another place, almost 45 minutes to 50 minutes. I still come here to have breakfast. Yeah. Whenever I have time, I'll come here.
Yeah. You guys all do it?
Sorry?
You guys all gather together and then just want to eat at this restaurant?
Yes. Actually, all these people here who seated around with me are
Yeah.
people I meet here.
Yeah.
So we became friends. So we got to know each other in this restaurant.
Oh,
Yeah.
and you already has 25 year
Yes, yeah. We go a long way.
friendship. So this restaurant is a good place to find a good friend and a close friend.
Yeah. Give another 3 to 5 years, I'll have grandkids.
Yeah.
So I'm still coming to this restaurant.
Indian vegetarian food center.
Yeah.
We serve a variety of Indian vegetarian food. This business was founded and started by my father, Lechumanan, and it was co-run by my mother, and now it's my second sister, Asutta Lechumanan. She is handling the business.
Yeah.
So we are running this business for past 8 years, and we are located here in Brickfield, opposite of the Petronas location. So our opening hours is from morning to the afternoon. It's from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. So in the morning we serve breakfast like Indian traditional breakfast, idli, thosai, idiyappam, putu, and so on. And in the afternoon we will serve like set lunch,
Yes.
and every day will be a different set of menus. It's like we have 3 vegetables with the rice and different curry for each.
Yeah. Nice. Do you have any things that you're proud of from your restaurant?
I'm proud of.
Which dish that you think is special here?
The best seller here is we can go with the first we go with the beverages. The tea and coffee is like a very best seller here. And if you go with the food, our set lunch is a bit special. It's a bit unique because it has a different menus each day with the traditional Indian items. It's like a home cooked food method. And our breakfast is a common Indian breakfast with idli, dosa, and all will be like more to a home cook of approach.
Do you receive any feedback from your customer? It could be like negative or positive feedback.
Yeah, we have received both positive and negative, but mostly was positive because, as I said, we are running for 38 years, and we are going strong for 38 years was because with our customers, and our customers are mostly repeating and also new customers who have been coming here since like more than 20 years. So yes, I think with that we can know the feedback will be like positive. Negative would have been 1 or 2 in the early stages, and we always try to improvise it accordingly.
How do you deal with the negative feedback?
As I said, it's the feedback of customers. So we try to receive the feedback and we try to improvise from our end as we want to satisfy the customers.
Can you tell me again your restaurant name?
It's called Satyaneri Vegetarian. Our location is in Brickfield, Lorong Parang Belia, opposite of Petronas. But today is our last day business here. We are moving to a new location.
Can you introduce your new location?
The new location later will show you the photo of the banner behind here. The location will be like at the ground floor of Sonali building, which is near the Kandasamy temple.
Okay. Yeah.
Sonali building called a shopping complex. We are underneath the lot G5 ground. So we're having opening a new shop most probably in the first week of March.
This restaurant is very nice because he's listen to the customer feedback and then he tried his best to improve anything that is still negative, and this restaurant is recommended.
Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and thank you so much for watching the video, and follow me to have more contents like this. Thank you so much.